How to draw a mushroom, step by step. Hey, Learn How to Draw Hub crew. So for the first step of drawing our mushroom today, we're going to begin by making the grass which our mushroom will be on. We're going to go ahead and do this by making sharp edges and using small curved lines. Awesome, very nice. Next, above the grass that we just made, we're going to go ahead and make a hook-like shape, almost like an upside down C. Next, we're going to connect this shape to the grass by using two lines. Also, if you're not yet a member of the Learn How to Draw Hub crew, then you can join by hitting the subscribe button. Are you all done making your two lines? If so, let's continue. If not, feel free to pause the video. Let's start on the left hand side, and we're going to go ahead and make a big top to our mushroom. On the very top will be the highest point. This will connect all the way over to the right hand side. Awesome job. Now on the inside of the shape that we just drew, we have a big empty space. We're going to add detail by using small circles. You can add as few or many as you would like. Stick around so that we can color our drawing together. Thank you for watching on How to Draw Hub. If this video helped you out today, be sure to give it a big like so that other YouTube artists can see it as well. If you want to see more videos just like this, then I highly recommend that you consider hitting the subscribe button. Now let's go ahead and color our drawing together. Hey Learn How to Drill Hub crew, if you like videos like this one, then we highly recommend that you consider hitting the subscribe button so that we can keep you updated on videos like this every single day.